In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for Costco promo codes for 2026 using Google Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer or mobile device. Once the browser is open, go to the address bar at the top and visit google.com. This is the quickest and most familiar way to begin, especially if you want to compare several search results and find a reliable source for current offers. When the Google homepage finishes loading, click into the search bar and type Costco promo codes 2026. Make sure the phrase is entered clearly so Google can return the most relevant results. After that, press enter on your keyboard or tap the search button if you're using a phone or tablet. This will bring up a page of search results related to coupon listings, discount offers, and promo code websites that may be tracking current Costco deals. As the results appear, take a moment to scan the page rather than clicking the first link immediately. You're looking for a top coupon aggregator platform such as RetailMeNot or Honey, because these sites usually collect multiple promo codes in one place and often show whether a code has been recently tested or reported to work. That can save you time and help you avoid expired or unreliable listings. Go ahead and select one of the leading coupon aggregator platforms from the results list. Click the result that looks most trustworthy and relevant to Costco promo codes for 2026. In general, it's helpful to choose a well-known site with a clear layout and visible deal information, since that makes it easier to review available promotions. As you do this, keep in mind that search rankings can vary depending on your location, device, and browsing history. So if one platform doesn't seem useful, you can return to the Google results and open another well-known coupon site from the list. The main goal here is simply to reach a reliable aggregator page where Costco promo codes are being collected and displayed. That's all there is to this process. You've opened Google Chrome, searched for Costco promo codes for 2026 on Google, and selected a top coupon aggregator platform from the search results. If you're following along, take your time reading the listings carefully once you arrive on the site, and make sure the offers match what you're looking for before moving forward.